Gising na dahil spelling alert na sa One Morning. For this episode, we will use the word whatever because this is commonly used in texting. We cut short the spelling of words when we text because we think it's faster. Pero this notion is wrong because it takes us 12 presses to complete typing the word whatever sa shortcut method. Maikli nga, pero mahirap naman basahin. Kaya it's better na kinukomplete ang spelling ng words na ating tinetext. Kung multi-tap naman, it will take us 15 presses to completely spell the word. Pero there's a better way to solve this texting dilemma. We can use the text input in our phones or the so-called T9 dictionary. It will just take us 8 presses to type the word whatever. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang pindutin ng maraming beses ang keys just to type the word you desire. Kaya, dapat laging gumamit ng T9 for proper texting.
Department of Education, Commission on Higher Education, Panasonic. In cooperation with T9 Text Input. Text right, T9.